everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a relaxing morning clean with me. My toddler is in nursery this morning and I wanted to take this opportunity to kind of clean my house, make it all nice and fresh for the day. So I took about an hour this morning to do kind of a speed clean. So I mostly did the downstairs just to make sure it's nice and sparkling. I filmed this on a really crisp autumn morning. It was really sunny but very cold as well. It was really lovely though. It's nice to get some sunshine these days. This morning I am starting in the living room. I want to do a really good clean of the living room. So I'm going to start by tidying up all of the toys that are on the floor here. It is amazing how many toys a toddler can get out in just one morning. So he did all of this before he left for preschool this morning. I did tidy up the night before and it's just unbelievable how much damage they can do in such little time. Ever since the time change, he's been waking up extra early. He's always been an early riser, but when the time changes, it actually kind of messes up even more. So he has a few hours in the morning when he gets to do a bit of damage here in the living room. So I'm going to start by tidying up the train tracks. We get these train tracks out every single day, as well as these mugs, cups and plates from IKEA, the ones that are on the coffee table. So he loves playing with these, so I'm going to tidy them up and make sure we can see the floor again. I also wanted to show you a few toys that I purchased for Victor recently. I got him these wooden toys. They're a Christmas set, so it comes with Mrs. Claus and it's got Santa Claus, or like Father Christmas, a snowman, a Christmas tree. So it's so cute for Christmas. I think it would be a great gift. I actually already gave these to Victor because I was too excited. So we've been playing with them and he really loves role play with these. So they are so cute, and my friend Kinga makes these. She's in the UK as well, so if you are interested in these, I will link them down below. I will link her website, and she's just really amazing and so talented. She has a few sets for Christmas, and she also has regular wooden toys for like throughout the year. So I will link her website down below where you can order these. So cute, and I think it's really important to try and support small businesses as much as we can this season, because obviously with everything going on, everyone's struggling a bit. So yeah, if you are interested in these, I will link it down below. Next, I'm going to straighten up the sofa, just putting the throws away. I'm actually going to take out my favorite throw ever. It's this really cozy, large knit one. I really love this one. I got it from Primark last year. I believe they still have it. I have seen it in the past, like a few months ago, but obviously the stores are closed now, so maybe when they do open, you might be able to still get your hands on it if you are interested. But yeah, it's really lovely. So I'm going to put the other throws away, and I'm also going to straighten up the cushions in here as well.
Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just want to make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I want to kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
In this corner of the living room, we have a dragon tree plant that I got from IKEA. It's lasted really well, which I'm very proud of myself for keeping it alive for this long. So I'm going to make sure to water it today, and then I'm also going to go ahead and tidy up the rest of the toys. Victor's got kind of like a play area here in this corner of the living room. And I use these white baskets. These are also from IKEA, and I kind of organize train tracks, animals, random toys, and then we've got one for his car toys. So I just kind of tried to put everything in some sort of an order, and then he's got all of his play food and cups and things like that in his play kitchen. So I'm just going to put everything back where it belongs, and yeah, just make sure it's all nice and tidy.
Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you do.
Next, I'm going to dust these frames that we have here on the wall in the living room. I got these in the past from Mapifo. I have worked with them in the past on a few campaigns. This is not part of any project like that, but I'm just going to dust them really quickly. And then I'm going to do a dreaded sofa dive. I've been meaning to do this for so long, so I'm going to do it today because it really, really needs to be done. And I was sure there were so many crumbs under the cushions, and I was right. It was quite embarrassing, to be honest. My toddler, I try to make him eat on the coffee table instead of on the sofa, but sometimes obviously he sits on the sofa and munches on some crackers or things like that, so there's plenty of crumbs under the cushions. So I'm going to take my Dyson Hoover and make sure I get all of those crumbs out, and then I'm going to put the sofa back together.
That I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
I will also go ahead and hoover the rest of the living room.
It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Moving into the kitchen, the first thing that I'm going to tidy is the dining area. So we've got this tiny dining area that we actually really love. It's really cozy. So I'm going to tidy up the plates, just kind of take everything to the counters, and then I'm going to spray it with my Method spray, and just, you know, kind of straighten up this area a bit.
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law.
And then I'm going to put all of the dishes that were here on the counters. I'm going to pop them in the dishwasher, and then I'm going to give the surfaces a bit of a clean as well.
Let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my
Next, I'm going to tackle the sink. So I just wanted to give it a bit of a clean. I'm going to use my Dishmatic, this brush thingy. It's really handy. You basically put the fairy liquid in the handle, so you just have it on hand to use at any time. So I'm going to go ahead and use this all over the sink.
let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again.
And then I'm going to use some Zaflora to kind of disinfect the sink a bit. So first of all, I'm going to pop the kettle on just to make sure I have some nice hot water to rinse it out. And the Zaflora that I prefer, if you guys have followed me, you know this, I love the clean or like the linen fresh scent. I think that's what it's called. It smells so nice and clean and fresh. I really, really love this one. I'm going to be on the lookout for some festive scents, but I haven't seen them in my local supermarket yet. is I'm just going to add a bit of Zoflora in the sink, and then I'm going to add hot water on top, and that's going to disinfect and make sure the sink is nice and clean. It also leaves the kitchen smelling very nice and fresh for the entire rest of the day. Next, I'm just going over the countertops with my Method spray. This is just a surface spray, and then I'm going to use a microfiber cloth just to kind of spray all over and make sure it's crumb-free and just dirt-free in general.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial, 'cause you want dollar bills right now.
I am also going to hoover in the kitchen as well. So I'm going to take the chairs away because there's always a whole bunch of crumbs and food stuck on the floor where we eat at the dining table. Compliments of my toddler, of course. So I'm going to hoover in here, and then I'm also going to mop.
Someone in denial, 'cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it.
For mopping, I'm going to use this Method All Floor Cleaner. This is in the Wild Rhubarb scent, which I really love. So I'm actually going to use my Bona mop for this, which as you guys know, I use a lot and I really rate it. I will link it down below for anyone who's interested. It's kind of a spray and mop, and it's really convenient and easy to use. So I'm just going to take out this bottle part, and I'm going to fill it up with about 1 part Method spray and then 2 parts water. So I'm going to make sure it's all filled up because it was running low, and this is gonna last me for quite a while, so I don't have to fill it up constantly. And also what I really like about the Bona mop is that you don't need a bucket, obviously, and it's also amazingly convenient because once you're done mopping, you can just take off the microfiber cloth on the bottom part, and you can put that in the washing machine. So I feel like it's really easy to clean the mop as well.
I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too.
After I'm done in the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process in the hallway as well. So I'm just going to hoover, and then I'm going to mop in here too.
Down, and I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who,
now that my downstairs is really nice and clean, I'm going to light up a candle, make it all nice and relaxing. I'm going to have a cup of coffee and really start my day on the right foot. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you either cleaned with me, or maybe you just got some motivation, or just kind of hung out with me. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!